In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a web scraping code in Replit. We'll use the fastest approach, building with Replit agent, which means no manual setup and minimal coding. By the end, you'll have a Python scraper you can run, refine, and reuse. Start by opening Replit in your browser, log in, then click the plus create repo button. On the creation screen, choose Create with Replit Agent. This option opens an AI helper that can set up the project, install packages, and write the code for you based on a simple description. Now prompt the AI in plain English. Be clear about what you want to scrape, where you want to get it from, and how you want the results saved. For example, say, build a Python web scraper that extracts headlines from news.icombinator.com and saves them to a CSV file every hour. The more specific you are, the better the result. Mention the exact page or section, what fields to capture, the output format, and any schedule or frequency. Avoid sites that require login or block bots, and always respect the site's terms of service and robots. The agent will then propose a plan, create the project structure, install the necessary dependencies, typically request and beautiful soup, and write the scraping code. Review what it generates before approving. Skim the files it creates like main.py and requirements.txt, and check that the CSS selectors or HTML tags it's using match the elements you want. Confirm where the CSV will be saved and how often the code will run if you requested scheduling. When everything looks good, click Run to Test. Watch the console output for status messages, things like successful requests or parsing actions, and then check the Files panel for your CSV. Open it to confirm the results look right. If you see errors or the data isn't quite what you expected, ask the agent to refine the code. You can say things like add error handling, retry failed requests, use a polite delay between requests, or scrape the link endpoints for each headline too. The agent will update your code and rerun it. A quick recap. Open Replit and start a new project with Create with Replit Agent. Describe your scraping task clearly. Review the generated plan and code, then run and test. Keep your prompts specific, verify selectors against the page's HTML, and refine through the agent as needed. That's it. You've just built a web scraper in Replit, the easy way. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make